You're thinking about starting an online business for the first time? Great! You'll find out your way to make money online after watching this video. Hi, this is Josh from Shoplazza, your e-commerce partner and business builder. In today's video, we're going to learn how to start an online business from scratch. Before we get started, keep up to date with our helpful tutorials by subscribing to this channel. If you're seeing value in this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Okay, so now you're faced with your first problem. What should you sell online? So your very first step is to find the perfect product to sell online. Let's consider some basic business principles. First, start with what you know and what you are most familiar with. What's something that you have unique insights into? The internet is a free market for the most part, and free markets reward those with expertise. So try not to start your first online business in an area that you know absolutely nothing about. Try your best to find the perfect product to sell online. 2. Conduct a product research. Dig as deep as you can when doing product research. A product idea can be brilliant, but if nobody wants to buy it, there's no market for it. Product research includes whether there's a demand for it, what the pricing landscape is like, and where you should position yourself. Minute product details like the size and weight, or whether you're selling perishable goods or consumables. 3. Conduct an online market research. After conducting product research, you need to think about market size. Consumer products have a much bigger market than niche products. On the flip side, you'll have much more competition if you're selling a common product, like graphic t-shirts, whereas the curly hair razor market could be a less competitive space. So do some market research before betting everything on your $1 million idea, because someone out there could have had the same one as you. 4. Create your online store. Once you've figured out what you want to sell and finished research on both product and market, then you can start building your own online store. It'll only take a few moments for your website to be completely set up by using Shoplazza. Shoplazza is a drag and drop online store builder, meaning you don't need to have any coding or programming knowledge. Absolutely anyone can build their own online store using our online store editor. Shoplazza also has tons of themes, and the best part is that you can use all of them for free. So make sure that you click the link in the description below to try out all of them for free and kick off your very first step to building your own online store. We'll show you how to set up your store step by step in our future tutorials. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so that you won't miss out on any future videos. Hey, if you found this video helpful, then hit that like button. And don't forget to leave us your questions in the form of a comment below if you have any. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.